Hello guys, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin guys. So finally after a long time again I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin. And guys, this video is very good news video for all of you because as you know about me that now my prediction is going positive about XRP Ripple coin. You know what, in my previous videos I predicated XRP Ripple coin that possibility that in the last of October there is a higher possibility that the price of XRP will pump. So now as you can see, today is 21 October, and you can see here the price changes is going positive. So that's mean that now XRP is in the pumping mode. XRP start positive changes guys. So very congratulations to all XRP holders. Anyways, now if we talk about the currently price of XRP, so 1.12 USD dollar, that is the currently price of XRP in the market. Let me show you the price chart for more details. As you can see here guys, in the start of October XRP is not a bit, but you can see that still the changes is for some time. Just look here, for some time the price going down, but don't worry guys. Now you can see here is I predicated that now I believe that to the last of October, to the last of 31, XRP will continue these positive changes. XRP will continue this pump. So on the basis of this update, I recommend for all of you, for all of my viewers, that it's time to hold, it's time to make a huge profit. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.